Krunker.io is a free browser-based multiplayer first-person shooter video game created by Swiss developer Sidney De Vries. The game had become popular among Twitch live streamers. Krunker.io is a first-person shooter video game. The goal of the game is to gain points by eliminating other players or completing objective of different game modes, and by having the most points, win the game. There are several game modes, such as free-for-all and team deathmatch. Players can choose from several different classes with different weapons, such as the Triggerman, Hunter, and Detective. The games take place in different maps. Krunker.io was rated as the best.io video game of 2019 by sciencefiction.com, naming it by far the best adaptation of a FPS in the browser, praising the game for its quick-paced and high-adrenaline playstyle. Brent Lee of The Collision praised the game, describing it as a satisfying experience with a ton of replay value and praising its different classes, calling them the highlight of the game and what makes it differ from other .io games. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.